today we're going to be showing y'all how to replace the fill valve on your toilet. Now the first step is going to be to shut off the stop or valve. That's going to stop the water flow, not allow any more water into the tank. Once you've done that, you can go in the tank, just lift up this flush valve. It's going to drain almost all of the water out. The little bit of water that's remaining, you can take a sponge and dip that in, soak it up, squeeze it out into the toilet bowl. That way, once we start moving stuff, it's not going to make a big mess in our floor. Alright, so the next step is going to be to remove the supply line nut here and the fill valve nut. Now once these are removed, we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so now that the supply line nut and fill valve nut are off, the next very important step is to flush the stop out. Now what that means is over time there can be some sediment or debris that gets built up in this valve or up in this line. So that's the reason for our bucket here. What we're going to do, come right over to this valve, get it turned on. We're just going to let this water drain or run for just a few seconds. And then we're going to shut it back off. And then we're going to come back up to the top of the tank, get our fill valve out, and put the new one in. Alright, so now, next up, this little rubber tube, pull that out of the top of the flush valve, lift our fill valve right up, then we'll go grab the new one and get it put in. Alright, so we've got our new fill valve. So we're just going to put that right back in the hole where the original one's sitting. Take our replenish tube, put it in the top of the flush valve. Then we're going to go down to the bottom, secure it with our fill valve nut. Alright, so we've got the fill valve nut secured. We've got it hand tight and then just about a quarter turn with a set of pliers. Now, we're going to take our supply line nut, get it threaded on there. Now it does have pretty long thread, so it may take a couple minutes to get that all the way up there. Now usually, with that supply line nut, you can just get it nice hand tight. And then next up, now that everything's secured, we'll come up, test for leaks, make sure everything's good to go.